Is still black.
Good day, everyone. How are you? How are you doing this wonderful day of Monday? This Monday we have a lot of things to talk about, and I believe that you are so excited and you've been waiting for this moment. My name is Bongani Dlamini from Bongless Accountant and Tax Consultant. Today we just want to talk about the individual tax. So I'm gonna be putting you on the screen and also welcoming you, some of the guys, to come in and you share what we are going to talk about. And I believe that these things is going to help you and help so many of the guys that need this information. So, unfortunate part is that we are doing this work during time of load shedding. If anything cut, it's not my fault. I'm just gonna be very very quick and also allowing you to come on board and you be part of this meeting. And I believe that if you have something, you can ask your question, and we can assist you. So this is some of the things that is happening, and I believe that you're gonna be also been getting inspired and also been able to go for more of this. So we are here today. We are here today, and we're gonna be enjoying ourselves. Just invite someone there, and I believe you'll be fine. So just trying to connect some of the things that I'm busy wanted to do, and then it's fine. So we are going to enjoy uh, today. So um, I said we're just going to talk about individual texts. So you'll find more about us talking about text on this page that we need to uh, we will be more on it, talking about text. So someone was asking me what is individual tax, why must he pay tax, and I also explained to the person that why what is the reason. So in short, it's an income tax which is called a normal tax, which is paid on your taxable income. So taxpayer is required for this thing to pay, and some you must know that you need to be registered to have it, right? So when we talk about individual tax, we talk about people, those who are employed or who are employed getting taxed, and then they get deducted by their company. So these are some of the things that we are talking about today. So, and I believe that you are okay, and you are going to enjoy. So my one of my take is that we will have a good time today, and we have more understanding of this, right? So someone can, as I've said, who must pay tax. You see, the remunerations or that the company or your employer is deducting from your salaries or your wages, or over bonuses, overtime, uh, the taxable benefits, allowances, certain lump sum benefits, is some of the things that you find that you get tax on those things, right? So I know that some because some of the investment that you are getting tax on it. We'll talk about it in one day of the topics. We're gonna talk about your annuities, your pension income. You see, so those are some of the things. But I just wanted to talk about the basic salary of someone who's getting taxed. So if you are getting taxed here in South Africa, it means you must be compliant in submitting your tax returns. And then when you submit your tax returns, it means that you are a good citizen of this country in terms of uh, submitting your tax returns. And I believe that we are here today, and it's going to help each and everyone that um, tax is very important to get submitted. So there's some consequences that if you don't submit your tax, you get been penalized, and with the amount of 250 rand. So this is some of the things that you need to avoid, and some of the things that when you are working, you need to make sure that you submit. So we are having couple of things that is happening, and this couple of things that is happening is that uh, if you have it been listed in your payslip, or is there in your other additional incomes, that I'm saying the other things that need to be looked at, because some you got the rental income that is included as an income, some you are running a Taxify or Uber, you know. Is it the right way to say Taxify? Yeah, something like that. So, and you're getting money and you are still employed. So you need to declare some of the income that you are getting, and this you won't fight with any tax people, which is our government. So we will get a lot of questions regarding to say where's this money going at, who must receive this money, and what is it for. This is money that we are getting to where we are getting taxed, that is helping the country to keep going, to build schools, hospital, roads, and some other things that you can think that the government are doing. Don't come with questions of talking about the politician chowing the money for the government. That is not something that we need to talk about. So some of you who are here, and you are with us now, you can ask the question. You can ask the question about tax. Then we'll help you to say this is what you need to avoid, right? So these are some of the things, and I believe that you are getting it right there. You are getting it right there. You are getting it right there. So we are here, and we are making sure that it must happen. So let it be so. Um, I was also just waiting for some of the questions that were supposed to be asked. Some we are getting some penalties today, and some of the things that it's happening. So we are popping it up as question, and then we able to help you there. So some of the things that I wanted to share with you, and I'm still saying to you guys, uh, be Be honest on what you are doing, and you submit your returns. If you don't submit, the consequences of it is just that the taxman can also review or submit your thing on your behalf. So these are some of the things that you need to take care of it and make sure that you balance it. And I believe that you are okay. You are able to sort it out. So I was just waiting for people to ask questions. If there is no questions, it's okay. You know our details. Uh, some we can inbox. We'll able to assist on that. So you're able to assist on that. So so I hope you understand that you need to submit your returns, and then on your submission, have your IP5 there as as a baking document. If you're having a medical, have your medical certificate. You're having the investment that you get to other where you invested, just put it there, and then those things is going to help you to when they say they need the supporting document. And I know there is those who got some traveling allowances. So you must have a logbook that is being prepared and get this submitted. And those are some of the things that I'm thinking that is most that you need to know. If you have some question on the medical side, say okay, my medical aid didn't cover 1, 2, 3. So I'll say to you is that where is the invoices to support what is being that is not being paid by your medical aid? If you have it, we'll calculate the amount that you have spent, and then we're gonna put it there so that you can claim your money back. And I believe you are going to get help. Any notification that you get from SARS you don't understand, you can ask. You can visit our website. There's more of our details there at bonglessacc.co.za, and our contact details 011-331-0316. We have some offices in Pretoria. We have some offices in Northview, in Soweto, and in Joburg CBD. This is our head office. So visit our website, our WhatsApp pages. We're gonna reply you and help you. But please don't abuse the platform of getting help. And some when you get help, you go and do it on your own. You fail to do that. You fail to get it right. You come back to us, and I'm telling you that it is very important to submit the returns. So those who got penalties, uh, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, and will help you. Will help you to get that thing going, to get that or to avoid those penalties. I'm sure people are getting help today, and I'm trying to get some of the SMSs that I got today regarding the penalty. So some you got those things says a penalty assessment notice has been issued on SARS e-filing to Mr. B. Dlamini, and then they put your income tax number. So this means that Mr. B. Dlamini having submitted his is returns. So Mr. Dlamini must make sure that must submit his returns. So these are some of the things that you need to avoid. So when you avoid that, you avoid it, you won't see more of SARS coming to you. And I believe that we are coming right, and we're gonna do it. So I think I've spoken a lot. I didn't have a lot of things that were coming. So let's do it. Let's do it. We're here. We're here. And if you need more help, we're gonna try to put more videos about the text, and we'll see the way forward. Thank you for joining us. We love you, and we are your resources. Visit Bongless Accountant and Tax Consultant to all social media platforms. You hear more about what we are doing. Thank you so much.